Welcome guys, this is Kaushik from Code Hubs, and today we are going to learn Python programming. Not actually Python programming, today we are going to learn Python AI, and our topic is computer will speak using Python programming. So don't waste our time and let's go to the computer screen. And here we are in my computer screen, and we are going to use actually Visual Studio Code. Now we am going to use Visual Studio Code. So first of all, using Python or doing codes, so let's make a tour how to start Visual Studio Code for the Python programming. So we are going to open uh, a drive, right? And here we are, pythons, lots of Python folders are there, and simply we're going to make a folder like py tutorials, right? And just open that one, and you will see the blank space over here. Just press your shift button from your keyboard and click on your right click, so you will see open command window here. If you don't put the shift button from your keyboard, and you want to click, and you are going to click the right click, so you didn't see that one, right? So if you want to see that command windows here from that list, from that menu, so you have to press the right shift or left shift from your keyboard, click right click on from your mouse on your mouse, and you will get the open command window here, and click on that, and you will see some command prompt over there, and you have to write cod space dot, right? So this will help to help you to open the Visual Studio Code from your Python for your Python programming, right? And see, you guys will see the PyTutorial, the folder that I made for the Python programming. That folder name is over here, right? See, so first of all, what you need to do, you have to create a file over here. Just click on there, and you will get to see the okay the text, but text area, you will see the text area. And if you want to create a file, so if simply you need to write ai dot py, right? And press enter, so you will see the Python and file has been created over here, right? Okay, so first thing, before doing some AI programming using Python, as usual, we know as we know, I know our tutorial is related to the AI programming, right? AI AI programming. Okay, fine. So for the AI, you have to know something for the from the Python, right? So first thing that you this is really for the beginner. So don't think about about so much regarding this Python AI, how the computer will speak. It's really simple. So only you have to write 4 or 5 lines of code to to speak your computer. This computer will speak your text, right? Whatever the text you are going to put up in your program, right? So you have to know 3 or 4 keywords from the Python, 3 or 4 programming lines, the Python code lines or Python codes that will help you to help you to speak your computer, right? So simple. We are going to work with the PyTT-SX3. So what it is, first of all, this is a Python to text, Python text to speech converter, right? Python text to speech, right? So it's Python So this is Python text to speech converter, right? And so we are going to use this one PyTTSX3 for for some AI operations or AI programming, right? So what it is, Python text to speech converter, it is actually a module in Python, right? So this is a basically a module in Python. Fine. So PyTTSX3 we're going to use. Fine. And how we're going to use this one, right? This is the first question. So in Python we will have a keyword. Import is a keyword in Python, right? Import is a keyword in Python. Fine. So we are going to actually we're going to include that pyttsx3, right? Pyttsx3 include into this file ai.py, right? So simply you have to write import pyttsx3. Fine. So before importing this pyttsx3, right? So what we have to do, this is a module, this is a external module, this is a Python module that we have to download from internet. So first of all, you need some internet connections to download this pyttsx3 from Python community, right? So how you can download this all? Simply you have to go to the command prompt, the command palette, the Visual Studio command palette. Just you have to press Ctrl F5, so come it will appear, and you will see the terminal option over here, right? See, and what you need to do is write uh, pip pip uh, pip one second. uh, yes, pip install pyttsx3. Fine. So whenever you press the enter, it will collecting data from internet. Fine. Let's see. So see, I'm getting some message, requirement already satisfied. It means I'm having this pytd. I have already I have already installed this pytdsx3 in my computer, right? So that's why Python show me some message, requirement already satisfied, right? But when you guys are going to install this one like this way, so you will see some collecting data 0 1% 2%. So after installing that word, the pytd 63, so simply what you need to do, you have to import the pytd 63 over the code, right? Okay. So our motive is we are going to write something like we are learning Python AI. hmm? We are going to we are going to say something like we're going to learn we are learning Python, we're going to learn Python, whatever, and the computer will speak the same thing, right? So for that we have to take data, right? So here we are going to take a variable, and we will have an input function, right? So this input function, what the input function will help you, it helps to get the data or take the data from the user. So simply write enter your command, right? And space over here. Fine. And after that your next code will be like um, you are going to take something like a variable ng. Okay. engine equal to py tts dot init. Okay, so this is init means what? This is a function. This functions belonging from the Python. The function name is initialization. So it is going to initialize, right? Initialize with SAPI 5. So SAPI 5 क्या है? You can search from the Google. You'll get some data. It's a task to. It's a job to. It is job to find what exactly SAPI 5, right? Okay. Next, what you need to do, simply, uh, this is an engine, right? We're going to initialize something, sapify, to the pytts-3, right? After that your code will be, you write voices, fine. So you're going to write engine dot get property, fine. Get property needs voices, a parameter voices, right? Okay. Next one, engine dot set property, fine. Set property. So set property is two parameters. One is the voice of whom? Voice of your computer, right? And the voices of 0, 1 to whatever. I will give you some demo. What exactly voices of one, right? Fine. And mm, okay, done. Fine. Next one, we are going to speak, right? Not we are going to speak, our computer is going to speak. So we need a function, right? So how to make a function, we will learn from here. def, and we are going to make some speak function over here, right? And with the colon. So this is the code style. This is the style of this is the coding style of Python. And into this function we have to pause audio because we are going to uh, do some audio work, right? And we're going to use engine dot say, fine. And we're going to pause the audio, that audio, right? And we're going to engine dot run and wait. Okay, fine, done. uh, After that we're going to make a main function, right, of Python. So this is going to be main function. So how to make a main function is, right, if this underscore um, name. So see, you will get the name is here. See, simply you write in VS Code and it's going to go in a name, and I'm getting if underscore name, getting whatever name, or write main at the name, underscore main. See, if name equal main, then you had to call the function, right? The speak function, something. Uh, Speak function over here. Fine. Speak function, and you need to send the data, right? Data. Fine. So this is the code. I hope the code will work. Let's see. So see, it is asking, enter your comment, right? So here we are going to put some comment. uh, mm, the comment is, we are learning Python AI. So we are learning Python AI. Press enter.
We are learning Python AI.
Have you heard that one? Again, right? uh, hey, this is Kaushik and he is good. Oops. And press the enter.
Hey, this is Kashik and he is good.
See, we're getting the voice. We're getting the voice. Then it's okay. Otherwise, you will run the code. So you will get to know how it is work. Computer will speak, right? And what it is, voice one, voice this and that, right? So if I'm going to print this voices, so you will see your computer having lots of voice. I mean, not lots of, three voices are there. So let's F5 and enter your comments. Hey,
Hey,
see, you will get three things or three objects: one voice, two voice, and three voice. So I will use one. There's the lady one, and if you are going to use the zero, so it will speak a main voice, right? Save, control F5. Hey, oh shit.
Hey Koshik.
See, it's main voice, right? And you can use also 0 1 2. So three voices are there. So you can count as a 0 is the number 1 is the number 2 is the number 3, right? So you can use this. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy coding. Stay good. Bye bye.